So let's see what we got. My fantastic table, usually a workbench with just something on the top. I have a plastic tray, in case of any spills, connected, bit of. So this is the Keihin DA50A. Should be located somewhere here, if it's possible to see. So it doesn't rev up when I give power to the engine. So I'd like to find out what's going on. Everything looks cool, everything works, stroke is alright, all pieces are good, but okay, so I know some people will say add a Weber. Something about the original concept. I'd like to. It has worked for sure once. It should be possible to make it work again. So I'll try to dissect it and see what I can find. The thing is that I do not have a kit. I've tried to find a kit for some weeks without any luck. So I decided just to open it. I will make the gasket on my laser burner, cut it out directly, so I just need a good photograph of it, scale it to perfect fit, and then put it into the computer, and I will make it after. So I'll start and see what I can find. So far so good. This little pin over here was slightly difficult. The upper one didn't want to come out. This one was easy. And I'll take off this, and there's a spring down there which I have to be careful with. One thing I discovered, okay, so this will be this membrane behind it, the airframe. Then inside, in the second chamber, there's a lot of deposit, or is it corrosion? So that I think should be addressed, because it's supposed to smooth. If the airflow goes bad, then you get loss of power. So I've removed the diaphragm. So should look for cracks, but it looks actually pretty good. So that is probably okay. I hope so. Here are a couple of O-rings, do not have them. And this gasket around here I do not have. So I'll try to be careful, clean it all up, try to see if it's brittle or okay. So last screw up is 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5. Same length of all of them, so shouldn't be a problem to get it. This is disconnected, it's disconnected. I do not see any place where there was actually something holding it back. So hopefully it's possible to open it. Or maybe not. Or maybe. Gasket. So much like to keep it as a template. See if it's possible to get it off in one piece. Better. Well, seems like okay, let's see. It's really black. It's black. There's been a misfire with poor ignition over time, or what? And we have a gasket. Almost complete. Broken here, but I can put it like that. Take a good picture. It's thicker than the gasket paper I have. Maybe I have to buy thicker. Okay, I'll see. Then we have here. It's dirty inside. I'll open and see if there's anything wrong. Okay, I just move this up here and see if it moves. Stops there, maybe it's too much. Then I will. Oh, you see the drawing of the gasket. Took a picture, outlined it, made a CAD. I took it into Lightburn, and now I will try to burn it with my laser grader. Okay, so far so good. Is it possible to take this out now? It was slightly too short on the precision on the time. Oh, it's okay. And take out middle pieces and see if it fits. Here they are. Actually not too bad. I would like to have it slightly further up, maybe. So I might have to adjust the angle down here, and I think it's slightly short, so I might widen out just a tad, 1 millimeter or something, to make it fit perfect down here. See, it's slightly disaligned on the holes. Well, okay, maybe it's not so bad. Okay, so looks much better, at least in my eyes. Now, one guy on the internet, I'm not sure who he is or what he can say to prove it, but he says that to adjust the float, you simply need to get it level. This is how it was, and I had big issues. So I can put my screwdriver in here and then turn till it gets about level. There we are. So difference is pretty much. So now it's. If this is correct, he has saved me a lot of trouble. I've tried to find the settings for this carburetor. Haven't been able. Looks nice, cleaner inside. Happy so far. Yes. Then I have the bottom part. That's a bit more work, I think. Doesn't look fantastic at the moment. Few springs. I need to lose those. I will not adjust any setting screws. I will keep it as it is and start washing it. So, main yet. Oh, this didn't look too promising, but I see there's holes inside, so try to clean it up. Maybe it's alright. I'll definitely blow it through. So, clean out. compartment and blew it with air. Should be pretty close to be good. And the lower part, okay, could have been cleaned better, but okay, it's just a working carburetor, right? But it's much cleaner. So next now will be to assemble the whole thing with my cool little gasket. No, as I said, I will make something out of a thicker material. This was actually just to see if it fits. Yeah, so pretty pleased with that. Not bad at all. So next we'll be making a new gasket and start to put it together. Okay, so I have gone and cut out a thicker gasket, 1.5 millimeter, which is pretty much the same as the one that used to be there. So now I will start to assemble the whole thing, and hopefully this will be perfect. I made a few minor adjustments, so it is now better on this side. Still it could have been maybe 0.5 mil further out, but okay, I think it's a nice fit now. So 5 minutes and everything is assembled back. I think this gasket is pretty okay, same as the O-rings inside. I didn't bother to change them. Bit dirty in here, but okay, it's a used carburetor, but it looks much better. It's clean. Gasket is nice fit. Everything responds as it's supposed to. So should be ready to put back on the car.